Right.
Yep.
It's nice to be back on the bike, eh?
Yeah. Well, I've not been on it for a week.
Have you not?
No. Remember I was away down south.
I see you were.
I'll be out now once all these cars pass. I see you.
Sean,
Yes.
are you going down the motorway?
What, the bypass?
Aye.
Aye. I'm behind you. We're A71.
Oh, got you. Right, okay. I couldn't get you there, I thought, okay, I went the wrong way.
No, you've not. No, this is the way I always go into Edinburgh. I wonder if they've tarred this road at Wilkeston yet.
I would like to think so, eh?
Tell you, Alec, they've really kicked the arse out of that. They've really hung it out.
The road's, no, it's not done yet.
Well, they've got the tar down.
No, it's not.
Well, partly it's down.
We came up there the other day and it was like that. When we come back to Edinburgh.
Yeah. Well, I hope it doesn't rain today because I've washed the bike.
It looks actually alright.
Aye.
You're on the bypass?
Yeah. They weren't hanging about, eh?
No. Seeing that, the exhaust makes it sound quicker, doesn't it?
Does,
I'll let you go first for here.
Aye, okay, I'll lead the way.
I like that jacket Willie had on. I can't remember what make it was.
I never noticed what he was wearing. He's got a Klim jacket. What colour was it?
All black. I think it was Gore-Tex as well.
Alright, that would probably be his rucker.
Right, nice.
Aye. Or his Revit. The Revit. Willie's got quite a few, eh? He's actually got a nice collection, eh? Right, we're coming to a standstill here. Up the middle.
That's the grips off. Too fucking hot.
What setting did you have it on?
Red one.
Ah, no wonder.
The right hand one's actually roasted.
Aye, because that's got the plastic throttle tube under it.
Aye.
Yeah, I do like your setup, Alec, on the heated grips. I might actually buy a set myself. I mean, they're only 200 quid, eh?
At least we know what we're doing with this time.
Well, mine's are straightforward.
A piece of piss.
Aye, 10 minutes to fit them, eh? But just that bar end weight of yours.
Well, if it's rattling inside the bars, I can't fucking hear it.
Nah, you'll not hear it. How the hell's this so bloody busy?
That guy in the vert behind you, he never seen me, then he pulled over and gave us a wave.
Uh-huh.
Most people are alright.
Aye, most of them are fine, eh? But you always do get the one...
Look what happened to my cousin.
The odd idiot, well aye. Right, he's moved over, thanking you kindly, sir.
I might get a set of the hand protectors, you know that?
Oh, Alec, it's these ones that I've got, cheap and cheerful for eBay. I think they cost me about 15 quid or something. 30 quid at the most. And they keep my hands dry and they keep them warm as well, eh?
Yeah.
And they're just cheap universal ones, eh?
These grips are so fucking comfy compared to the last one.
Oh aye, definitely. The grips you had on that, they used to fucking nip my tits, eh? It wasn't even my bike.
Oh, I forgot I'm on a fucking bike and going that.
Aye, you can use the bus line.
And it's Saturday, Sunday.
All day. 24 hours, 7 days.
Yeah, but it's open to everybody.
Aye,
Saturday, Sunday, innit?
Aye, it's open to everybody at the weekends and off peak during the day. So after 9:30. That van in there, that's an old London Transport patrol van.
Is it?
Aye. I was talking to the boy at a car show a couple of years ago. Let's do a wee sneaky here, Alec. It's a bus lane, eh? I can hear Willie.
Hey, pal.
Aye, where are you, Willie? I can hear you.
I'm down at Cameron Toe.
Oh yeah,
Thanks.
we're just at the
That's a
foot.
good...
We're just at the foot of Kirkbrae, where the 31 goes up.
Ah, right, okay. You coming the way?
We're just coming along Big Cameron Toe, and then we'll go down Lady Road, eh?
When you come in, did you come in the motorway?
Aye, we came, no, we came in 71, and then the bypass.
Hey, what? You're not fucking far behind me at all.
And we got fuel, but we weren't hammering it either, we never went over the speed limit.
Aye. I suppose it's just if you get the fucking traffic lights in.
Yeah.
Aye.
What way did you come in?
That 71
Same as us.
bypass, aye.
Aye. And
Same as you.
we weren't riding fast, eh? We stayed in the
the petrol
limits.
station long either.
No, we weren't.
Yeah.
I see you, Willie.
Aye, cool.
I can see it.
Nice one. Right, okay, we're on a fifth green, so.
Right.
You're going to cheat.
I'm going to cheat.
Oh, you fucking never guessed. Hey, Cardo, radio up!
Fucking brilliant. Right, I'm just going to cheat here.
Right. Fucking listen to me though.
Oh, Willie, you and that radio and that cardo.
Moody bitch.
She is, eh? That's good that all three of us can talk to each other, though.
Yes. Fucking fab. It's good.
We're nearly there, Alec.
Aye.
That didn't take us long.
Left. Eyes left.
Aye. That didn't take us long today.
Yeah.
We
It's
did.
left. What's the bus, Alec?
What's that?
You said eyes left.
No, just the wee bird that was there.
Bit crumpet, Willie, you missed it.
Alright. Yeah, here we go.
Come on, I'm not going to put my feet down. Where will we park up? There's nowhere really, I'm going to park it outside the Triumph shop. Where are you parked, Alec?
Next to Willie. They might put some luggage on for me. Free.
You could ask them. They might tell you to fuck off though.
Probably.
That'll do me here.